Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted transactions on QuickBooks. So first is head over to Intuit QuickBooks and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next at the top right corner of your screen, click on the settings or gear type icon. Next, click on Audit Log. Now, the first thing you may want to do is look for your deleted transactions. And to do that, click on the All Events drop down menu, then click on Deleted or Voided Transactions. Now, here on this page, you can see a list of all deleted and voided transactions from your account. Now, while there is no specific delete feature or restoration for deleted transactions feature, there is still a way to restore your deleted transactions. Now, from here in this page, just click on your transaction, view the details, and try recreating it once again. You can also use search filters to make it easier for you to look for the specific transaction. And from there, you can now manually re-enter the transaction using the same details. The key point here is you can't undelete, but you can recreate the same transaction. All thanks to the audit log feature of QuickBooks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!